Hello everyone, David here. And you might notice that my background looks a little different because my family moved. And that's also why I barely uploaded in the last month because we are very busy dealing with moving. So sorry about that. And also sorry about the bad lighting because my new room, I like it, but the light bulbs are kind of dying, so the lighting's not gonna be good. Don't worry, it'll improve, or I'll just choose to film in a day. But let's just get into the real topic here. Let's get the video started. So Samsung just hosted their Galaxy Unpacked event a couple of days ago, kicking off smartphone season 2021. And in this video, I'm going to explain what happened in the event and the devices announced in just 4 minutes. So this is basically the folding phone event. And no, there is no Note 21. Samsung said it's because of the chip shortage, but I think it's just because Samsung has decided that it's time for their Note series to rest in peace. So let's talk about the big boy here, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Last year's Z Fold 2 is already a huge improvement over the Fold 1, which is basically just a public prototype. But Samsung made it even better with their Z Fold 3. It received a slight design update. It's now flatter, thinner, more gapless, and the previous sick camera bump is now reduced. The display pretty much remained the same. I mean, yeah, the 7.6-inch main screen and a 6.2-inch cover screen, except for that the cover screen is now also 120Hz, and the inside screen is now stronger to allow for S Pen support. You do have to buy a special S Pen for it though. Other S Pens not made for the Z Fold 3 will still damage the screen. The inside screen now also uses an under-screen selfie camera instead of an always visible hole punch. I mean, the image quality is not that good because, it's still capturing images through the screen, but nobody really uses that anyways. It also packs off the latest tech such as the Snapdragon 888 processor, 256 gigs of storage base, and surprisingly, IPX8 water resistance. So yeah, the Galaxy Fold series and Flip series is now waterproof, but not dust-proof though. And of course, it comes with a very, very high price tag of $1,800. Now comes the more compact and more affordable Z Flip 3. So it also received a slight redesign that also makes it kind of look like something Google will make. And finally, the front cover screen has been made larger, so it isn't basically useless anymore. The inside screen is now also 120Hz and stronger. No S Pen support sadly. It does come with the latest Snapdragon 888 processor and IPX8 water resistance though. The base storage is reduced to 128 gigs, but the starting price is now also reduced to only $999, which is by no means affordable, but considering that the iPhone 12 Pro also costs $999, the Z Flip 3 might just become the first mass market foldable. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event, summarized to just 4 minutes long, so you don't have to watch the entire event by yourself. Thank you guys for watching, comment, like, and subscribe. New videos coming soon, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!